हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, क्लास 12th केमिस्ट्री आपके बोर्ड के एग्जाम आ चुके हैं और कुछ दिन है कि आपको तैयारी के लिए आपके प्रिपरेशन लीव चल रही होंगी। आज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट डिस्टिंक्शंस जो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में है, पूछे जा सकते हैं और शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं। डिस्टिंक्शंस हैं। डिस्टिंक्शन मीन्स जिनको हम टेस्ट के थ्रू, उनकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन के थ्रू, प्रेसिपिटेशन और कलर के थ्रू पहचान कर सकते हैं। तो कौन कौन से ऐसे डिस्टिंक्शंस हैं जो कि बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स में पूछे जा सकते हैं। सो डिस्कस ऑन द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स एंड देयर इंपॉर्टेंट डिस्टिंक्शंस। Number 1, alkyl halides and aryl halides. These are aliphatic and aromatic. How can you distinguish these? So in case of these one, we can use the silver nitrate test. Alkyl halides means RCl, CH3Cl, C2H5Cl or C6H5CH2Cl benzyl chloride. All these are aliphatic in nature. So any aliphatic compound will give white precipitate of silver chloride because organic compound aliphatic में NaOH के साथ रिएक्शन करने पर CCl बॉन्ड आसानी से टूट जाता है। क्लोरीन के केस में व्हाइट पीपीटी होगा, ब्रोमीन के केस में लाइट येलो होगा और आयोडीन के केस में येलो पीपीटी होगा। यू हैव टू रिमेंबर। बट इन केस ऑफ एराइल हैलाइड इट विल गिव नो रिएक्शन बिकॉज ऑफ रेजोनेंस CCl बॉन्ड इज नॉट स्प्लिटेड। सेकंड डिस्टिंक्शन इज डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन प्रोपाइल अल्कोहल एंड इथाइल अल्कोहल. So here we use the iodoform test where iodine and sodium carbonate is used. Ethyl alcohol gives yellow precipitate of iodoform because it is having CH3 group attached on CHOH. Propyl alcohol will not have any reaction because CH3 group is not directly attached to carbon with OH. Distinguish alcohols and phenols. There are few tests जिनमें आप कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Any one. One is the litmus test. Alcohols have no reaction with litmus solution, but phenols turn blue litmus to red. Bromine water test. On addition of bromine water to alcohols and phenols, what is the difference? Alcohols have no reaction, but phenols give white precipitate with bromine water. Neutral FeCl3. Alcohols have no reaction with neutral FeCl3, but phenol give violet color. Distinction 4. Distinguish between methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. Again, here is iodoform test because ethyl alcohol is having CH3 group attached on the carbon with OH. Iodoform test you have to remember, ये तभी possible होगा जब जिस कार्बन पे OH लगा हुआ है उसके नेक्स्ट कार्बन पे CH3 हो. So methyl alcohol no reaction with iodine and sodium carbonate, but ethyl alcohol gives yellow PPT. You can learn it. Distinction 5. Distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. You can use any one of it. And most important is the Lucas test. It may be asked as the short note. And Lucas reagent is anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl. So primary alcohols give no turbidity at room temperature. These are not having any reaction. Secondary amines, these give turbidity. Turbidity due to formation of reaction. It takes place within 5 to 10 minutes. But tertiary alcohols give turbidity immediately. So this point can be used for distinction. ऑक्सीडेशन के बेस पर भी हम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. ऑक्सीडेशन प्राइमरी अल्कोहल्स गिव एल्डिहाइड्स एंड देन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड विद सेम कार्बन. सेकेंडरी अमाइंस फर्स्ट गिव कीटोन्स वेयर कार्बन नंबर रिमेन्स सेम एंड देन these are oxidized to acid with carbon number less. Tertiary alcohols on oxidation give ketones and then acid both with less carbon. Distinguish propyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol means OH is present on carbon number 2 and this carbon is attached to CH3 group. Again we use iodoform test. So iodoform test, isopropyl gives yellow PPT, but propyl alcohol gives no yellow PPT with iodine and sodium carbonate. Point 7. Distinguish carbonyl and non-carbonyl compound. It is most important for the questions where you are asked that a compound is having formula so and so and its name is A. It gives some reaction and gives the 2,4-DNP test और NaHSO3 टेस्ट. तो वहां पर आपको पहचान करने में काम आएगा कि कार्बोनिल ग्रुप, कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स इन टेस्ट के थ्रू पहचाने जा सकते हैं, आइसोलेट हो सकते हैं. Number 1 test is NaHSO3. So carbonyl compound means aldehyde ketones both. These give white solid. But non-carbonyl compound where carbonyl group is not there, these have no reaction. Second is 2,4-DNP test. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine test. So carbonyl compounds give yellow precipitate. If yellow precipitate is there, it means aldehyde and ketones both may be present. But non-carbonyl compounds, no reaction. One more distinction, distinguish acetaldehyde and propanaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, in case of aldehydes, only acetaldehyde is giving the iodoform test because it is having CH3 group attached on the carbonyl group. So iodoform test, iodine and sodium carbonate is the reagent. Acetaldehyde, it gives yellow precipitate of iodoform, CHI3. Propanaldehyde has no reaction. Next point 9. Distinguish between aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes, ketones both are carbonyl compounds. How will you distinguish? कैसे पहचान करेंगे? So tests are, number 1, tolerance test. Tolerance test is done with tolerance reagent. It gives white precipitate of silver mirror with tolerance reagent. Ketones, no reaction with tolerance reagent. Second is the Fehling test. With Fehling solution, these give red-brown PPT of Cu2O, but ketones have no reaction. One more is bromine water test. When bromine water is added to acetaldehyde, brown color is decolorized, but in ketones, no reaction. You can distinguish. Test number 10. Distinguish for formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Formaldehyde, again, it is not having CH3 group, so it will not give iodoform test. So main test is iodoform. Mostly it is used, and formaldehyde has no reaction with iodine and sodium carbonate. Acetaldehyde gives yellow precipitate with iodoform with iodine and sodium carbonate. Again, oxidation can also be used. So formaldehyde on oxidation gives formic acid with pungent smell. Acetaldehyde, it gives acetic acid with smell of vinegar, so it can be identified. Next, point 11, distinguish acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde. So acetaldehyde again is here. We can use iodoform test, only one and short test. So acetaldehyde gives yellow precipitate with iodine and sodium carbonate, and precipitate's name is iodoform. Benzaldehyde, no reaction. Fehling test, acetaldehyde gives red-brown PPT of Cu2O, but benzaldehyde has no reaction. Benedict test, it gives brown PPT with Benedict solution, but benzaldehyde has no reaction. So these are the 3 tests, but iodoform test can be best used. Next, number 12, distinguish pentanone 2 and pentanone 3. So one point we have to remember, in case of ketones, if ketonic group is present at position number 2, that is CH3CO, it will give iodoform test. So pentanone 2 gives yellow PPT with iodine and sodium carbonate, but pentanone 3 will have no reaction. One more distinction, distinguish carboxylic acid and phenol. यहाँ कुछ टेस्ट हम कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड के ले सकते हैं, कुछ फिनोल के ले सकते हैं. Number 1 is NaHCO3 test. It is test for carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid can be distinguished from any of organic compound by this test. Only carboxylic acid gives brisk effervescence due to formation of CO2 gas. Phenol has no reaction. With bromine water test, it is with phenol. So carboxylic acids have no reaction with bromine water, but phenol gives white PPT. डाई टेस्ट जो कि होता है NaNO3 और कंसंट्रेटेड HCl के साथ, यहाँ पर नो रिएक्शन होगी कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड की, लेकिन फिनोल्स देंगे ऑरेंज रेड डाई. न्यूट्रल FeCl3 that can also be used for the phenol. Only phenol gives this test and gives violet color with neutral FeCl3. So carboxylic acid has no reaction. You can learn the first number test for carboxylic acid with any other compound and neutral FeCl3 test for phenol with other compounds. Question number 14, distinction number 14. Distinguish carboxylic acid and ester or any non-carboxylic compound. Again, here is the sodium bicarbonate test. So carboxylic acids give brisk effervescence due to formation of CO2. Esters have no reaction. Litmus test can also be used. In litmus test, carboxylic acid turns blue litmus to red, but esters or non-carboxylic compounds have no reaction. Distinction number 15. Distinguish aniline and ethylamine. Means aromatic amine and aliphatic amine. Litmus test first. Aniline aromatic compound has no reaction with litmus solution, but ethylamine or aliphatic amine, it turns red litmus to blue. Bromine water may also be used. Aniline gives white PPT with bromine water. Ethylamine has no reaction. Distinction number 16. Distinguish aniline and N-methyl aniline. ये प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी अमाइंस का डिस्टिंक्शन है एक तरह से. So we can use carbyl amine reaction. So reaction with CaCl3 and KOH gives offensive smell of isocyanide. प्राइमरी अमाइन देते हैं, बट N-methyl aniline जो कि सेकेंडरी अमाइन है, it will have no reaction. Distinction number 17, primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Number 1 is the carbyl amine reaction जो कि केवल प्राइमरी अमाइंस देते हैं, बाकी कोई नहीं देते हैं. So it gives no reaction. Primary amines form the smell, unpleasant smell of isocyanide with CaCl3 and KOH. Second amines no reaction. Tertiary amines no reaction. Second, nitrous acid reaction. On reaction with NaNO2 and concentrated HCl, it gives alcohol. Secondary amines give nitrosoamine R2N NO, and tertiary amines give alcohol as well as nitrosoamine. But most important is Hinsberg test जो कि तीनों के लिए एक साथ यूज किया जा सकता है. All the three can be distinguished simultaneously with C6H5SO2Cl. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. Primary amines give crystal जो कि soluble होंगे NaOH में. Secondary amines also give the solid crystals but insoluble in NaOH. And tertiary amines have no reaction with Hinsberg reagent. Hinsberg reagent is C6H5SO2Cl. Next distinction is distinguish aniline and ethylamine. There is comparison of aliphatic and aromatic amine. So litmus test can be used. Bromine water can be used to identify these. Distinction number 19, distinguish benzaldehyde and acetophenone. Benzaldehyde is aldehyde, so it gives tolerance test. But acetophenone, COCH3 group on benzene ring, it will have no reaction with tolerance reagent. One more test is acetophenone के लिए iodoform test. Acetophenone is having CS3CO group attached on benzene ring. So with iodine and sodium carbonate, benzaldehyde has no reaction, but acetophenone gives yellow PPT of iodoform with iodine and sodium carbonate. Distinction number next. Distinguish formic acid and acetic acid. Formic acid will give all the test of aldehydes because it is having CHO group. So tolerance test, it gives white silver mirror, acetic acid no reaction. Fehling test, it gives red brown PPT, acetic acid gives no reaction. फॉर्मिक एसिड में फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड की तरह से CHO ग्रुप है, तो ये एल्डिहाइड के सारे टेस्ट देगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट 21. Distinguish carboxylic acid and alcohol. Again, carboxylic acid is here, so you can use sodium bicarbonate test. Which carboxylic acid gives brisk effervescence, alcohols have no reaction. Litmus test can also be used. Carboxylic acid turn blue litmus to red, but alcohols have no reaction. ये टेस्ट आप याद कर सकते हैं, to remember it. बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में डिस्टिंक्शन जरूर आते हैं, and these can help you in the conversion also because you know the so many reactions. So that's all for today. Learn these all distinctions, understand these, and keep watching. Thank you.